All right, it's Ask Halftime time. Let's get to your questions. This one comes to you, Joe. It's from Guy in D.C. I don't know, is that a Dami down at Georgetown? Anyway, he wants to know, how do you feel about Barclays puts heading into the weekend or the week?
So he's right. He's talking about the VXX, which is the ETF. I feel good about it because I purchased it. Two reasons. First of all, there's a seasonality. If you buy volatility on July 3rd and sell it out Columbus Day, historically, that has been the strongest seasonal period. In addition to that, keep in mind, when you have some of the mega cap technology names going parabolic, you're actually going to see volatility begin to appreciate. We're witnessing that today. The VIX is up 4%. So I am long the VXX, and I'm using it for those reasons.
Okay, there you go. Shannon, you are up next. Are you ready? Andrew in Ohio says, with fractional share purchases now available, you buy bits of a stock, are stock splits a thing of the past?
Andrew, I think that they were already a thing of the past even before fractional shares. So CEOs don't like to split their stock, and now they have no reason to do so. They're not being forced to democratize the investing environment. So they're done.
All right, there you go. Rob, Tony in California asks, is there a possibility that we might be in a bubble with some valuation skyrocketing? And if you think we are, when might that bubble burst?
Well, let me get my crystal ball. The reality of it is there's a lot of opportunity in markets still selectively, but there is a lot of froth in markets. I think, no one knows how big the balloon can blow up before it bursts. There's usually a catalyzer, usually a needle that comes in and bursts the bubble. But I do think there's some excess there, and mainly I'm seeing that in the stay-at-home economy stocks. There's durability there, though. They have a very thick skin on that balloon, so it might take a little bit, but I do think one of two things is going to happen. They're going to come down to some of the other stocks, not completely because of their durability, or the other stocks are going to play catch-up.
All right. Jim, now to you. Ron in Phoenix says, with the high level of COVID-19 activity, especially in Arizona, how will CVS Health perform?
Well, CVS works in between quarters. It gets knocked down and held back by the prospects of a Democratic sweep coming up. But when they report earnings for the last several quarters, they've outperformed. I think this is exactly the time you want to buy CVS a few weeks ahead of the quarter. They generate a ton of free cash flow.